Hello and welcome back. Today we have a special practice marathon. We are going to master WH questions. And to make it fun, Eddie and I are planning a vacation.
A vacation, finally.
That's right, Eddie. The structure is simple. I will ask a question twice. Then there will be a pause for you to answer. After the pause, we will give an example answer. Also 2 times. Ready?
I was born ready.
Okay, let's start with block 1. The essentials. What and who. First question. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Eddy. My name is Eddy.
What is her favorite color? What is her favorite color? Her favorite color is blue. Her favorite color is blue. Who is that man? Who is that man?
He is my friend, Tom. He is my friend, Tom.
Who are those people? Who are those people? They are my parents. They are my parents. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want to eat a treat. I want to eat a treat.
What does he do for work? What does he do for work? He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I live with Ed, of course. I live with Ed, of course.
Who cooks dinner in your house? Who cooks dinner in your house? My mother usually cooks dinner. My mother usually cooks dinner. What is in your bag? What is in your bag?
My favorite squeaky toy. My favorite squeaky toy.
What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about our vacation. I'm thinking about our vacation.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is named Alex. My best friend is named Alex. What is the capital of France? What is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris. The capital of France is Paris.
Who wrote this book? Who wrote this book? Jane Austen wrote this book. Jane Austen wrote this book. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I like calm and relaxing music. I like calm and relaxing music.
What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Long walks in the park make me happy. Long walks in the park make me happy.
Who is the teacher? Who is the teacher? Mr. Smith is the teacher. Mr. Smith is the teacher. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are sleeping and eating. My hobbies are sleeping and eating.
Who wants to go to the beach? Who wants to go to the beach?
I definitely want to go to the beach. I definitely want to go to the beach.
What should we pack for the trip? What should we pack for the trip? We should pack sunscreen and hats. We should pack sunscreen and hats. Who will drive the car? Who will drive the car? I will drive the car. I will drive the car. What is the plan for tomorrow? What is the plan for tomorrow?
The plan is to relax all day. The plan is to relax all day.
Who knows the way to the hotel? Who knows the way to the hotel? I have the address on my phone. I have the address on my phone. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dachshund. My favorite animal is a dachshund.
Who ate the last cookie? Who ate the last cookie?
It was not me, I promise. It was not me, I promise.
What do we need from the store? What do we need from the store? We need some water and snacks. We need some water and snacks. Who is coming to the party? Who is coming to the party? All of our friends are coming. All of our friends are coming. What time is it? What time is it?
It is time for a nap. It is time for a nap.
Great job. Now for block 2. Let's talk about logistics. We'll practice where and when. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Canada. I am from Canada. When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in October. My birthday is in October.
Where does she live? Where does she live? She lives in London. She lives in London. When does the train leave? When does the train leave?
It leaves at 10 in the morning. It leaves at 10 in the morning.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the park. I want to go to the park.
When do you wake up? When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Where are my keys? Where are my keys?
They are on the table. They are on the table.
When did you arrive? When did you arrive? I arrived yesterday. I arrived yesterday. Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket?
It is 2 blocks away. It is 2 blocks away.
When does the movie start? When does the movie start? It starts at 8 p.m. It starts at 8 p.m. Okay, let's move to block 3. Now we practice why and how. Let's understand reasons and methods. Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English? Because I want to travel. Because I want to travel. How are you today? How are you today?
I am very happy and excited. I am very happy and excited.
Why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue? It's a complicated science question. It's a complicated science question. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. Why did you choose that hotel? Why did you choose that hotel?
Because it has a big, soft bed. Because it has a big, soft bed.
How does this camera work? How does this camera work? You press the red button. You press the red button. Why are they laughing? Why are they laughing?
Because the movie is very funny. Because the movie is very funny.
How do you make a cake? How do you make a cake? You need flour, sugar, and eggs. You need flour, sugar, and eggs. Why do we need to hurry? Why do we need to hurry?
Because our plane leaves soon. Because our plane leaves soon.
How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was very relaxing, thanks. It was very relaxing, thanks. Why is he so tired? Why is he so tired?
Because he did not sleep well. Because he did not sleep well.
How do I get to the library? How do I get to the library? Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn left. Why do you like this city? Why do you like this city?
Because the parks are beautiful. Because the parks are beautiful.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost? It costs $10. It costs $10. Why aren't you coming with us? Why aren't you coming with us? Because I have to work. Because I have to work? How do you spell your last name? How do you spell your last name? It's spelled S-M-I-T-H. It's spelled S-M-I-T-H. Excellent work. Let's start block 4. This is an intensive drill. We will focus on questions with do and does. Where do you eat? Where do you eat? I eat at the table. I eat at the table. Where does he eat? Where does he eat? He eats at the table. He eats at the table. Where do they eat? Where do they eat? They eat at the table. They eat at the table. When do you study? When do you study?
I study in the evening. I study in the evening.
When does she study? When does she study? She studies in the evening. She studies in the evening. What do you play? What do you play? I play the guitar. I play the guitar. What does your dog play with? What does your dog play with?
He plays with a red ball. He plays with a red ball.
How do you travel? How do you travel? I travel by train. I travel by train. How does he travel? How does he travel? He travels by train. He travels by train. Let's begin block 5, the final block. Now let's drill questions with the verb to be. How are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
How is he? How is he? He is fine, thank you. He is fine, thank you. How is she? How is she? She is fine, thank you. She is fine, thank you. How are they? How are they? They are fine, thank you. They are fine, thank you. Where are you? Where are you?
I am in the living room. I am in the living room.
Where is he? Where is he? He is in the living room. He is in the living room. Where are they? Where are they? They are in the living room. They are in the living room. When is the meeting? When is the meeting? The meeting is at 3 p.m. The meeting is at 3 p.m. When is the concert? When is the concert? The concert is on Friday. The concert is on Friday. Who is your brother? Who is your brother? My brother is the tall man. My brother is the tall man. Who is your sister? Who is your sister? My sister is the tall woman. My sister is the tall woman. Why is he happy? Why is he happy? He is happy because it is his birthday. He is happy because it is his birthday. Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
Because the story has ended. Because the story has ended.
You have done an amazing job today. This was a long and intense practice. Repetition is the key to progress.
Keep practicing every day.
That's wise advice, Eddy. If you enjoyed this marathon, please hit the like button and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and take care.